So this ring is perfect because you don't have to worry about the size.
One great thing about this ring is that it's totally adjustable, so it can fit any finger or any part of your finger.
I absolutely love the Satinski ring. It is so beautiful. I love that I can adjust it to whatever size I need.
The thing I like most is that it is resizable, and it even comes with a sizing stick.
You can adjust it on any part of your finger.
They also include this provided ring sizer.
This adjustable band fits your finger's unique shape, and so what it does, it prevents, sliding and spinning.
So if you want to make it even bigger and keep it symmetrical, push it down on the sizing stick, and then you could wear it as maybe a thumb ring.
The adjustable band is also hidden, and it does not take away from the aesthetic.
So the ring is really easy to resize, which is probably one of the coolest parts about this company.
You could make it really small and wear it as a pinky ring.
The best feature about this ring is that it will fit over any knuckle size or any swollen fingers, so you can wear it without a worry at any stage in life.
It actually grows with you. So with normal rings, you have to go to the jeweler and get it resized all the time. But this one, as you get older, if you get thicker fingers or things like that, you could actually wear your old jewelry for a longer time.